The vast majority are hostile work environment. A quid pro quo sexual harassment case,
Yep.
is more limited because by definition, its players are more limited. It's going to be a boss who is trying to solicit, sexual acts from someone who works for them. Whereas the hostile work environment can be created by someone on your same level. Your peer cannot quid pro quo sexual harass you. So just by definition, you've got a bigger roster. And then from a legal standpoint, a quid pro quo sexual harassment is generally stemmed from a single event or, multiple events close in time. But the hostile work environment can be the accumulation of acts over years. And so to a certain degree, it's kind of a lower threshold in terms of pleading and alleging misconduct that you can cite to a text from last year and a joke from this year and a pat on my back from a couple years ago and say, collectively, this is the environment we're dealing with. So yes, the short answer is the vast majority, I would say 90+% are hostile work environment.